He even blinks.
Oh, wow. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're taking it easy with a stroll through the agave garden at the Arizona Sonora Desert Museum. It's a small spot, but honestly, it's pretty cool. It's got different types of agave, all packed into one little tiny area. Oh, and yeah, we did run into a couple of animatronic dinosaurs on the way in. They're part of a bigger exhibit we'll actually check out in another video. We've been a little light on the trail hikes lately since we're both in the middle of some important training, but we plan to squeeze in more adventures before the seasonal heat really kicks in. So stick around, drop a like, and hit that subscribe button. And we hope you keep wandering with us, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next.
Look at all these lovely little small ones.
Check that one out.
Holy moly. Wow. I bet when all those flowers in bloom, that looks amazing. I've never seen one like that before. I'm not sure what type that is.
That looks incredible.
Yeah. I love the colors. See how many bees are on there too?
Yeah.
Magui, an odd name for her. Look at the size of those back there. Wow. Now those look nice. Whale's tongue agave.
It's a nice name.
It is. And it does kind of look like a whale's tongue.
Yeah.
Short skin. I can't get enough of creosote. This isn't big.
Huge.